Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have traffic from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or any social media, and you want to make money from it, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to earn money using Monetag SmartLink, how to add it to your website or blog, and I'll also share a quick review of Monetag so you know exactly how it works. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll also show you a live example of how to use the SmartLink to start earning. Section 1. What is Monetag and SmartLink? Let's start with the basics. Monetag is a trusted ad network that helps publishers earn money from any kind of traffic, social media, websites, or even simple landing pages. And the best part? It offers a smart link, a single link that automatically takes your visitors to the most relevant ad offers based on their location, device, and interest. So whenever someone clicks on your smart link, Monetag shows them the best matching offer, and you earn money every time they engage. Section 2. Why choose Monetag SmartLink now? Why Monetag? There are many SmartLink platforms out there, but Monetag is one of the most reliable ones because it has thousands of advertisers worldwide. You'll get competitive CPM rates, meaning higher earnings. Monetag supports any GEO. You can earn from any country's traffic. Fast payouts starting from just $5. And yes, 24/7 support if you ever need help. So whether you have a blog, social traffic, or you're promoting content, Monetag SmartLink works perfectly. Section 3. Registration process. To get your SmartLink, first you need to register on Monetag. Go to publishers.monetag.com/signup. Then fill in your details, your name, email, and traffic source. Make sure to provide real information because if your details are fake, you won't be able to withdraw your earnings later. After you sign up, you'll get access to the Monetag dashboard. Section 4. Exploring the dashboard. Let's take a quick look at the dashboard. Direct link/SmartLink. Here, you'll find your SmartLink. Just copy it. Statistics section. Here, you can check your CPM, earnings, and impressions in real time. Payment section. This is where you can see your total earnings and payment methods. Referral program. You can also earn extra by sharing your referral link. You'll get 5% commission from every publisher who joins via your link. Section 5. How to add SmartLink on a website. Important part. Now here's the most important part. How to add Monetag SmartLink to your website. Step 1. Go to your website's admin panel or HTML editor. Step 2. Copy your SmartLink from Monetag. Step 3. You can place it in two ways. Option 1. Clickable button. Add this code in your HTML. Option 2. Text or banner. You can hyperlink text like this. Save and publish the page. Now whenever a visitor clicks on this button or text, they'll be redirected to the best matching offer, and you'll earn instantly. Section 6. How to promote on social media. If you don't have a website, don't worry. You can use your SmartLink in social media posts like Facebook, X, Twitter, or Instagram bio. Example, make a post like, check out this amazing offer, or read this trending article. Then add your SmartLink in the post or in a button inside your landing page. When people click, Monetag automatically shows them relevant ads, and you earn money from that click. So that's how you can register, use, and earn from Monetag SmartLink, whether you have a blog, social traffic, or a landing page. Sign up today at monetag.com and start earning money from every click using your SmartLink. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And tell me in the comments what other monetization tutorials you want next.